Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Ssangyong Actyon dual cab ute, stock reference number 5417. The shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the first month 2017. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has a 12-inch scrape and a small dent. Left rear factory alloy 17-inch mag with a good tyre. We have a left-hand tail light. Right hand rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.